The sticky layer of microorganisms on your teeth called plaque can harden into tartar. But do not worry, we'll share DIY methods for fending them off. Stay tuned for objective, fact-check techniques that have been examined by medical experts. Now, let's examine the 9 methods for removing tartar and plaque. Number 1. Orange peels. Peels from oranges are useful for more than just compost. They contain a potent, all-natural mouth hygiene solution that is simple to add into your regular routine and highly effective. It's easy to wrap the orange peels to remove tartar and plaque. To preserve the aromatic orange zest, simply delicately scrape out the white pit from the inside of the orange peel. After that, spend a few minutes gently massaging the zest on your teeth and gums. This approach not only helps remove plaque, but also leaves your mouth feeling fresh and somewhat fragrant with citrus. Number 2. Tomatoes. Additionally, the inherent acidity of tomatoes can aid in the breakdown of tartar and plaque. Tomato acidity has the ability to weaken plaque, making it easier to remove with a brush. To start with, tomatoes are a great source of vitamins and minerals, such as potassium and vitamin C. Your teeth and gums will become stronger thanks to these nutrients. In particular, vitamin C aids in increasing the creation of collagen, which is necessary to keep your gums healthy and stop them from receding. Tomatoes are also a great source of antioxidants like lycopene. Antioxidants lessen inflammation and shield your gums from harm by thwarting the damaging effects of free radicals in your mouth. Controlling inflammation is essential for oral health because it is a major contributor to gum disease. It's simple to include tomatoes in your diet. They go well with salads, sandwiches, and make a delectable tomato sauce for your favorite recipes. Let's be aware that some of the benefits of tomato-based products like ketchup for dental health may be offset by additional sugars and acidic substances. Number 3. Baking soda and salt. These 2 everyday heroes get together to make a paste that can do wonders for your teeth. The hard-to-remove plaque on your teeth can be dissolved and broken down by this paste, which will make it easier to brush off later. Furthermore, baking soda's alkaline properties balance the mouth's acidic environment, which inhibits the growth of dangerous bacteria. However, in addition to eliminating harmful germs, salt also helps to calm your gums and lessen inflammation. It's economical and efficient to use baking soda and salt into your oral hygiene regimen. However, keep in mind that excessive use could harm the enamel on your mouth, so use caution when applying. Number 4. Lemon juice. In the fight against plaque, lemon juice citric acid is a superpower. It can eradicate bacteria that are hiding in your mouth because to its antibacterial qualities. Moreover, it increases salivation, which has the dual benefits of being a natural cleanser and dissolving bacteria and detritus. Here's the catch though. Because lemon juice is acidic, too much acidity can damage dental enamel. Combine water and lemon juice to achieve equilibrium. This dilution guarantees that using it frequently won't have any negative effects in addition to making it safer for your enamel. Just swish some lemon juice and water in your mouth for a minute or 2 to start using lemon juice to fight plaque and tartar. Next, to get rid of any last traces of acidity, rinse with normal water. You'll be well on your way to a healthier, cleaner smile if you include this technique in your daily oral hygiene routine. Number 5. Coconut oil. Frequently hailed as a versatile superfood, coconut oil works wonders as an ally against plaque and tartar. Lauric acid, a strong antibacterial, is the major component in coconut oil. When you oil pull or swirl coconut oil about in your mouth, lauric acid starts to work. This oil targets harmful microbes. This tackles pre-existing plaque and gradually destroys it in addition to aiding its prevention. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties that could help soothe sore gums. Coconut oil is an excellent choice for overall dental health because gingivitis, a common gum disease, is often accompanied with plaque and tartar formation. One easy and effective technique to combat plaque and tartar is with coconut oil. Take a spoonful of organic cold-pressed coconut oil and swish it around in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes each day. Before we move on to the next fact, if you have enjoyed our video this far, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to get updates about health and wellness. Number 6. Sesame seeds. The benefits of sesame seeds for dental health are well known, and they have been utilized for generations in traditional medicine. They have organic ingredients that do wonders for your teeth. For a few minutes, chew on a handful of sesame seeds without swallowing them. The seeds will scrape away plaque and tartar from the surface of your teeth as you chew, acting as a little scrub brushes. It functions similarly to a natural toothbrush in your mouth. Chew the sesame seeds for a few minutes, then spit them out. You'll see that they become somewhat creamy. That indicates that they completed their task. Next, wash your teeth as usual with a dry toothbrush, being careful. Your teeth will feel clean and fresh after doing this, as it will help get rid of any leftover sesame seed residue. Number 7. Cloves with olive oil. Cloves are more than just a spice for your favorite recipes because of their potent, fragrant flavor. They have strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities that can aid in the battle against the germs that cause plaque to build. Additionally, the natural scent of them helps to freshen your breath. A common ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine, olive oil provides a calming remedy. It serves as a vehicle for the health benefits of cloves and aids in the removal of tartar and plaque. Additionally, possessing antimicrobial qualities, olive oil safeguards your dental health further. To make a paste, simply crush a few cloves and combine them with olive oil. Then using a soft toothbrush or your finger, apply the paste to your teeth and gums. Number 8. Aloe vera gel with essential lemon oil. Gum health is greatly enhanced by aloe vera, which is well known for its healing properties. Its anti-inflammatory qualities might lessen pain and inflammation around the gums. This mixture creates a strong antibacterial agent when it is mixed with lemon oil, which helps to combat the bad bacteria that cause tartar and plaque to grow. It's not too difficult to use this combination. Just combine a few drops of essential lemon oil with a tiny bit of aloe vera gel. Just spend a few minutes massaging the mixture onto your teeth and gums. The lemon oil works to dissolve tartar and plaque while the aloe vera calms your gums. Aloe vera's vitamins and minerals help to maintain healthy gums, while the natural acidity of whole lemon oil helps to break down tartar. Number 9. Sanguinaria extract. Indigenous peoples have utilized sanguinaria extract, which comes from the bloodroot plant, for generations due to its therapeutic qualities. In recent years, its effectiveness getting rid of plaque and tartar development has come to light. Compounds in sanguinaria extract degrade the bacterial biofilm that causes plaque and tartar to form. This implies that in addition to eliminating existing buildup, it also keeps it from happening again. Sanguinaria is an ingredient in a number of mouthwash, dental gels, and toothpaste products. Simply use it as you would any other dental product and allow it to do its job. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments down below, have you tried any of these home-based strategies to remove plaque and tartar buildup? You might also want to check out the other videos in our YouTube channel. Just click or tap the videos below.